Imagine you're starting your investing journey. You've decided to take the plunge, but you're not sure which platform to choose, Robinhood or Stash. Both platforms have gained immense popularity for their user-friendly interfaces and commission-free trading. But which one is the right fit for you? Let's dive in and find out. Understanding the basics. Before we compare, let's quickly understand what Robinhood and Stash are. Robinhood is known for its simplicity and commission-free trading. It offers a wide range of investment options, including stocks, ETFs, options, and cryptocurrencies. Stash, on the other hand, focuses on fractional shares and automated investing. It offers a curated selection of ETFs and stocks, making it easier for beginners to start investing. User interface and experience. Both platforms boast intuitive interfaces, but there are some key differences. Robinhood's interface is clean and minimalistic, making it easy for experienced investors to navigate. Stash, on the other hand, offers a more guided experience, making it suitable for beginners. It provides educational content and investment recommendations. Investment options. Robinhood offers a wider range of investment options, including stocks, ETFs, options, and cryptocurrencies. This makes it a great choice for investors who want more control over their investments. Stash, on the other hand, focuses on fractional shares and automated investing. This makes it a good option for beginners who want a simpler approach. Fees and costs. Both Robinhood and Stash offer commission-free trading, but there are other fees to consider. Robinhood charges fees for certain options trades and margin accounts. Stash has a monthly subscription fee for its premium features. It's important to carefully review the fee structure of both platforms to understand the total cost of investing. Customer support. Customer support is crucial when investing. Both Robinhood and Stash offer customer support, but there are differences in their availability and responsiveness. Robinhood offers 24/7 customer support through chat and email. Stash offers customer support through email and in-app messaging. Fractional shares. Fractional shares are a popular feature offered by both Robinhood and Stash. This allows you to invest in a portion of a share, making it more accessible for those with smaller budgets. Both platforms offer fractional shares, but there may be differences in the minimum investment amount. Automated investing. Stash is known for its automated investing features. This allows you to set up recurring investments and let the platform automatically invest your money based on your risk tolerance and investment goals. Robinhood doesn't offer automated investing as a core feature. Educational resources. Both platforms offer educational resources to help investors learn more about investing. Robinhood provides articles, videos, and market data. Stash offers a more guided approach with personalized investment recommendations and educational content. Mobile app experience. Mobile apps are essential for today's investors. Both Robinhood and Stash offer user-friendly mobile apps. The apps allow you to trade, monitor your investments, and access educational resources on the go. Security and reliability. Security is a top priority when choosing an investing platform. Both Robinhood and Stash have implemented security measures to protect your investments. However, it's important to research the security practices of both platforms before making a decision. So, which platform is better, Robinhood or Stash? The answer depends on your individual needs and preferences. If you're an experienced investor looking for a wide range of investment options and a minimalistic interface, Robinhood might be a good choice. If you're a beginner looking for a guided experience and automated investing features, Stash could be a better fit. Ultimately, the best way to determine which platform is right for you is to try both and see which one you prefer. Consider your investment goals, risk tolerance, and budget when making your decision. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences with Robinhood or Stash, leave a comment below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more investing content.